कोरोना किट के बारे में कुछ महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी देने वाली हूँ। यह कोरोना किट पतंजलि रिसर्च सेंटर और नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेस एंड रिसर्च जयपुर इनके द्वारा बनाया गया है एवं संशोधित किया गया है। यह कोरोना किट 23 जून 2020 को लॉन्च किया गया है। यह कोरोना किट दिव्या फार्मेसी एंड पतंजलि आयुर्वेद लिमिटेड हरिद्वार इन्होंने निर्मित किया है। हरिद्वार पतंजलि के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर आचार्य बालकृष्ण ने यह दावा किया है कि यह मेडिसिन कोविड-19 इस महामारी को 7 दिनों में पूरी तरह से अच्छा कर सकती है। यह कोरोना किट के 30 दिनों के डोसेस 545 रुपए में एक हफ्ते भर में सभी पतंजलि स्टोर्स में उपलब्ध होंगे। तो आइए देखते हैं कोरोना किट में कौन कौन सी दवाएं शामिल है।
The Corona kit has one bottle each of coronal tablets, Shwasari, and Anutel. The coronal tablets have extracts of giloy, tulsi, and ashwagandha. The Shwasari works on strengthening the respiratory system and cures the obvious symptoms of corona, including cough, cold, and fever. Anutel is a nasal drop which helps build immunity. During the launch, Baba Ramdev said that their clinical trial found that 69% of the patients tested recovered from COVID 19 within 3 days, while 100% of the patients recovered within a week, as per news agency ANI. He also announced a new app, Order Me, through which people will be able to order Coronel by sitting at home. Soon, corona medicine would be available on Order Me app. It claims that consuming these products can cure patients in 7 days. Here is a glance of Patanjali's old application. Kapardak Bhasma and Godanti Bhasma are the two names Baba Ramdev ended up giving in the press release. Kapardak Bhasma is composed of ash, calcium, nitrogen, organic carbon, phosphorus, sodium, sulfur, boron, copper, iron, manganese, molybdenum, zinc, alkaloids, flavonoids, glycosides, lignin, and some tannins. This bhasma is calcium rich and relieves from pitta and vat. It's, it serves as digestive stimulant, antacid, anodyne, antispasmodic, carminative, antiemetic, ampachak, that is detoxifier, anti-flatulent, anti-ulcerogenic, mucolytic, and astringent. Godanti is a soft calcium and sulfur mineral compound, and chemically it is calcium sulfate dihydride. This is the formula. It also serves as antipyretic, works as paracetamol, anti inflammatory, analgesic, and also as a calcium supplement. It is made up of two main ingredients. One is gypsum and the other is aloe vera juice, which is used for preparation and processing and grinding gypsum powder. आयुर्वेदा पे एम्फेसाइज क्यों करते हैं? आयुर्वेद हमारे पूर्वजों ने लिखा हुआ है. In Ayurveda, phytometabolites and phytochemicals are a very important ingredient in curing a patient from any ailment. Phytochemicals and phytometabolites are biologically active compounds found in plants that are a product of or used in metabolism. Coming back to the Corona kit, who can take all the ingredients present in that kit? According to research details shared by Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balkrishna, the MD of Patanjali Ayurved, at a press conference, the kit was tested on COVID 19 patients who were tested positive for COVID 19 via RT PCR, that is real time polymerase chain reaction test, and were between 15 to 60 years of age. But none of the trial subjects were severely symptomatic or had acute respiratory distress syndrome or any other severe comorbid conditions. Thus, people on whom the medicine was tested were either asymptomatic or had mild symptoms. Baba Ramdev had, however, said that its medicine kit can also be taken as prevention for coronavirus. This is not any immunity booster but a coronavirus cure, said Baba Ramdev. Two trials have already been conducted on the products by Patanjali. Also, a document is attached here which shows Patanjali's response. Dr. Shekhar C. Mande, DG CSIR India, has also released a comment, and the channel ANI tweeted saying that Ministry has taken cognizance of news in media about Ayurvedic medicines developed for COVID-19 treatment by Patanjali Ayurved Limited. The company asked to provide details of medicine and to stop advertising or publicizing such claims till the issue is duly examined. Ministry of Ayush, and it attached a document along with the tweet. Until the launch of this product, Indians were so enthusiastic about Atmanirbhar Bharat. But what suddenly happened after this Corona kit came into market? It hasn't yet, but it will soon. What happened is what the problem was. According to the Disaster Management Authority Act of 2005, false promotion or propaganda of a medicine is a criminal offense. Definitely, Patanjali violated it. What the government did was, under the suggestion of ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research, and Ministry of Ayush, it has called for proper testing and proof for the manufactured corona kits for curing COVID 19. In which way is Patanjali violating the Act of 2005? Permissions about developing immunity boosters were given to Patanjali recently, but the questions being asked about why and how research for this kit took place and if it is really effective were prominent in deciding and describing the gravity of corona kit problem. If not approved by the ICMR or Ayush Mantralaya of Government of India, coronavirus kit developed by Patanjali will have to undergo several trials and tribulations. Let's wait and watch if and why the ICMR, Ayush Ministry, and government approves. What is the ultimate point? Ultimately, will coronavirus kit, that is, Corona kit developed by Patanjali, stand successful in tests? If it is successful in the test, India will have pioneered the cure yet again. Let's hope for the best. Keep tuned in for updates, upcoming events. Like, share and subscribe. Comment about what would you like to see next.